Okay, you know one of those things where you stay up scrolling late at night and instead of watching reels and YouTube shorts, you actually accidentally land up placing an order of around 30,000 rupees? That's exactly what happened to me. I went in thinking all I wanted was a couple of pairs of bottoms because I have gained so much weight over the last few months. None of my jeans except for maybe 2 of them fit me well. And I accidentally landed up placing an order with more things that I wanted than needed. So you and I are gonna get together and shame me in the comments because I may have a little bit of a shopping problem. Literally just recently in one of my vlogs I was saying रुमाल रखने की भी जगह नहीं है मेरे cupboard के अंदर and I have gone and done this. It means two things. One is I'm going to pull out and give away more clothes. Second is I'm going to be super brutal with myself and make sure the fit of these outfits is amazing, otherwise they're going to get returned. And maybe third is that I learned to maintain my weight. Even if it's up, I need to keep it up so that I don't have to keep repurchasing things. Like I don't want to go to a place where I have to have 2 separate wardrobes for 2 different weight fluctuations. I don't have that much space, guys. Mumbai homes don't support that. Anyway, hi, I'm Anam. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe. My vlogs, my videos, like my life, are quite chaotic but also fun. Let's dive right into this haul. Okay, the packaging may show you that even though this video is not sponsored, this is basically more or less things I picked up from Myntra. I ordered a whole bunch of things and I'm gonna hope that I fit into all of them perfectly. There's a cutter here, but I'm about to exercise my nails. Bye. Okay, I'm glad we're kicking things off with a pair of bottoms because bottoms were the need, everything else were the wants. These lovely violet pants. I love the color. I think that this should fit me when I'm looking at it. It's from Mango. I like that the front is not elasticized but the back is. This means on my super bloaty period days also thoda sa support and stretch mil jayega. They're not exactly formal but they look like really nice tailored pants. I'll insert the actual image on the screen right now for what they look like on the app while I was placing the order. And of course, let's have try on Anam come in and give you the real on what this feels like. Okay, I'm so sad because I was really kicked about these particular pants, but they're really loose and weird around the front, whereas they fit perfectly on the hip and waist over here, as you might see. Apart from which, you can see that the length is like forever long. That's okay, वो तो मैं फिर भी alter करवा सकती थी. इसका मैं क्या करूँ जो यहाँ पे weird, loose, spacious सा लग रहा है and like it's fitted everywhere else. I'm super confused. Also, super weird quirk about these pants. There's no button, there's no zip, there's no like nothing. You just have to pull it up, which I find a little bit strange. Like, why wouldn't the pants have a button and a zip? Question mark. These will unfortunately have to be returned. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I love me a good bodysuit, and this kind of looked exactly like that. This is a piece from, I'm going to mention whatever brands I remember or see the tags of, but don't worry, I'm linking everything for you down below in the description section. This is from Trendyol or Trendyol, however you'd like to pronounce it. It's a really nice, it's not tie-dye, but it's a faux tie-dye mesh fabric. Definitely feels like it has some little bit of stretch in there. It is a one shoulder if I remember correctly, but I also have a terrible memory, so I might, yeah, it's a one shoulder. Look at this. Let's go ahead and have try on Anam. Try it on. Okay, first things first, why did I keep calling this a bodysuit? It is not a bodysuit, it is a top. It fits like a bodysuit, but it's a top, and I do really like the fit of this. I like the one shoulder thing. I obviously have to wear this with a one strap bra or a strapless bra, but it fits really nice, and this one I am 100% keeping. What did I order? What the hell did I order? A shirt? I didn't order this shirt. Did I order this shirt? This looks like a menswear shirt, no? Like it looks like a men's shirt. I'm so confused. And it came out of the same bodysuit wala pack. थोड़ा सा अजीब लग रहा है. Let's quickly check whether ये गलती से आया हुआ है कि मैंने कोई गलती कर दी है. I did place the order in my sleep, to be fair. Yeah, I ordered it, but it does not look like this picture at all. I'm sorry. What? This is what the picture looks like, and this is what they've sent me. Super confused. Let's just have try on Anam take over. Okay, this shirt is not really doing anything for me. The material doesn't feel all that great either, to be honest. The color is nice, but it doesn't fall quite the way I like that much. You know what I mean? It's okay. It's nothing extraordinary. I'm not quite sure if it's worth the price. What do you think? Okay, we have 2 pieces inside this. Messy ASMR for you. And my cat is staring at me. Oh my god, I woke her up. If she takes over the screen, I apologize in advance. Okay, no, she's going back to sleep. We're good. Okay, I loved the look of this shirt when I saw it online, and I used to have something like this that no longer fits me. It's basically this very cut work style sort of cropped shirt. I like that this can be styled up very casual and still very like stylish formal also if I wear it the right way. Love that it comes with full sleeves. The one that I used to have was short sleeves, I think. So I think this just has more personality and character. That's the way I'm visualizing it. This should definitely fit me, but let's go ahead and try it on. Okay, we have to take a second to talk about this shirt because I love it. It is fitting exactly the way I had imagined. I love it. It's not too long, it's not super cropped, so my paunch area, which I'm in any case slightly conscious about on and off, is something that is well camouflaged. I love the scallop detail going on the bottom of the shirt, as you can see. I love the way this shirt looks and feels. I'm definitely keeping it. This is from the H&M linen collection. Another shirt. I love me a good shirt, you guys. I just love shirts. I have like a 3-4 week travel around the corner, which I really hope works out, question mark. And this is just so perfect for me to carry along. It looks really nice. It definitely feels really nice. I love how like not like bright yellow but like subtle yellow it is. It's from the natural linen collection, the premium H&M selection, it says. Linking everything down below. And now let's go ahead and try this out. Okay, as much as I love the serenity of this beautiful like pale yellow, it's not really working for my skin tone. It's not adding anything to me. Plus I have to say, hi Nibbles, plus I have to say the material is not feeling like the nicest on the skin. It has that little bit of pokiness. So this is definitely going back. ये थोड़ा मोटा लग रहा है. I think these should be my jeans. Yes, they are. Okay, so I have tried one pair of freaking jeans in the past. I received those in PR and they were in collaboration with Meghna, if I remember correctly. These jeans seemed very promising in the way that they look. Also, they seem to have a very wide variety of options. I will not be able to like fully vouch for them because the ones that I do have I've worn only like once. They're like a little bit different in style. They're like ruched up all the way till here and all. I needed stuff a little bit more casual. Usually my go-to denim brands were Zara, which we all know I'm trying to find substitutes for. I think that Levi's does some fab jeans. A couple of pairs from H&M have worked for me in the past, but ever since I've gained weight, guys, not so much recently. And if Freakins works for me, then I will be very happy. In case you're new over here, you should know that I have one of those classic curvy girl problems. I don't want to say hourglass girl problems, but like curvy girl problems, where my waist is definitely a little bit smaller than my hips, my butt. So I always have to size up on the waist and maybe wear a belt or have it tailored or whatever, because if I buy jeans according to the size of my waist, वो butt से ऊपर ही नहीं जाएंगे पहनने के लिए. So yeah, just gonna put a little bit of that information out there. All the jeans I bought were in size 30. Yeah, size 30. I haven't had a plain white casual pair in a very long time. So this was something I was looking forward to. Let's try it. Okay, so literally the jeans are not shutting. They are this wide open over here. The zip is not even going up a centimeter, to be honest, which is really surprising because I've ordered the same size as I've ordered all the other pants that have at least fit me. Definitely gonna need to size up in this particular pair because everything else I really do like about it. White stitching. I didn't realize this next pair had white stitching all over it. Not a fan of like colored stitching on my jeans usually. I'm a little bit of a classics kind of a person. So next, oh, this is a skirt, correct? These are not jeans, this is the skirt. Yes, this is okay, all right. Talking to myself. High rise skirt also from Freakins. Lovely shade of blue. A little bit on the fence about the white stitching on it because like I said, not necessarily my favorite thing, but I think in a skirt I still wouldn't mind it. With denims, I would mind it for sure because I feel like pants I wear all the time, whereas with a skirt, It's going to be a slightly dressier look anyway. It's got a nice slit going all the way up. Oh, it's quite up, huh? मुझे लगा है थोड़ा सा slit होगा, लेकिन ये काफी slit है. Let's try it out. Let's talk about this skirt, shall we? Why is the slit going all the way to my hoochie? I really don't know, but it makes me very uncomfortable. Apart from which, just the fit around here is a little bit weird and gathery and ruchy. I feel like this is meant for someone who's perhaps just very, very skinny and doesn't have hips like mine. Perhaps that's the TG. So while I'd love to have been able to keep this one is gonna have to go back. There should be one more skirt, which I'm actually very excited about. Let's see when that comes. Oh, this was so cute. I couldn't resist buying it. This is a Marks and Spencer's shirt, plain white, but not like bright white, slightly off-white with these really cute like sketch style polka dots. They're not like very symmetric or like printed. It's like किसी ने हाथ से कर दिया है. Very like Dalmatian-y, if I should put it like that. How many of you are Gen Z and how many of you have watched 101 Dalmatians? Go ahead and leave that comment down below. So it's interesting for me to know. This is what the shirt looks like. It looked a lot better in the pictures, I will say, but I want to go ahead and try it because I feel like sometimes trying things on just adds the little chutzpah to an outfit. Yeah, let's go try it. Okay, I do really like this polka dotted blouse, but is it what 2,000 rupees is where the question is at? I feel like I've gotten some really nice shirts that cost lesser, so I'm a little bit confused. Is it a nice shirt by itself, a nice blouse by itself? Yes, absolutely. But I don't know if it's worth the price tag. The material is quite nice as well, nothing extraordinarily different. But I'm just torn on it based on the, you know, if it's one of those worth the price tag kind of situations. By itself, I like it. To tell you that there is a mess of paper and wrapping next to me would be an understatement. Yes, yes, I remember you. Yes. Midnight ordering na in my sleep. कभी-कभी दिमाग से निकल जाती कि मैंने चीजें ही order क्या की थी. This one is also an H&M shirt in the size US S and European S also. My chest size, my bust size in general is like a 36. Just before my period, and during my period, I become like a 38. And about 10 days before my period, I become like 34, 35. So my body didn't used to fluctuate so much, but ever since my miscarriage last year, my body fluctuates so much based on where I am in my menstrual cycle. Plus I'm 32 years old now, so I feel like somewhere that must also be playing. Actually no yaar, till last year to kuch nahi hota tha aise, itna nahi hota tha. Yeah, well, it is what it is. This is the nice colorful holy hai rang phek diya wala shirt, but very like classy colors. It's not like holy hai just rang, it's like a very nice like this is a nice holy representation. I'm feeling rather sassy today, aren't I? Sorry if you don't like it, and you're welcome if you do. This is the shirt. Feels really nice. It's got that very like crepe, but like soft crepe fabric kind of a material. I just said crepe and now I'm thinking of Nutella banana crepes. Wow. It's got full sleeves. I like that it's got like so much detail, because I don't know if you can see, but the material is not flat. It's got this like really nice texture. Definitely excited to be trying this one out. Okay, so as I wear this shirt, and I think I really like it, and I love the whole texture thing going on it, I realized that I have a similar holy-ish style shirt from Zara from a couple of years ago actually, that has just stayed in my wardrobe and that I've worn a couple of times, but it's very, very similar to this. So I'm debating whether I should, sorry, I'm like trying to look at myself in the mirror at the same time. Whether I should keep it, but it's like eerily similar to this. I don't know how I didn't realize it while placing the order. Yeah, because I placed the order in my sleep, that's why. So I'm debating whether I should keep this or return it. Maybe I should pull out that shirt, dig it out from my wardrobe, compare the two and then decide. But let me know in the comments what you think of this shirt. I really like it as it is. If I didn't have that, or if I don't still have that, no, I know, I'm sure I do, 99% I'm sure I still do, then for sure I would keep this. But like, I don't know if it makes sense to keep both. You know what I mean? फिलहाल के लिए ये लास्ट पीस है, लेकिन एक्चुअली लास्ट पीस नहीं है, कुछ 4 पीसेस आने बाकी हैं, लेकिन आई वांटेड टू स्टार्ट फिल्मिंग द वीडियो बिकॉज एक दो वीडियोस के साथ रिसेंटली हो चुका है जहाँ पे मैंने सबके लिए रुकी और फिर एक्सचेंज टाइमलाइन मेरा मिस हो गया. एंड ऑब्वियसली लाइक गाइज, मनी इज नॉट टू थ्रो. इफ यू नॉट गोना कीप समथिंग, आई वांट टू बी एबल टू रिटर्न इट. लाइक बेस्ड ऑन 1 or 2 पीसेज हियर, आई थिंक शायद जा सकते हैं. तो मैं ट्राई ऑन करके अपना भेज दूंगी एंड जो रखना है रख लूँगी. ऑब्वियसली मेरी नीयत तो यही है कि जितने अच्छे रहे उतना टिके रहे. जगह का मैं हैंडल कर लूँगी, बट बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू मेक श्योर दैट आई कैन स्टिल यूज़ माई रिटर्न विंडो इफ आई नीड टू. I wanted to film this part of the video and you will see me in a probably different setting obviously, or a different look for the next set of pieces. Let's do the last one for now. I was so excited about these buttons. There are 3 pieces here. I saw these. This is probably my most expensive piece that I've ordered from in this entire haul. It probably constitutes of about 10 to 15% of the entire shopping budget on this haul. But I didn't have anything like this, or rather I didn't have anything like this since, I don't know, college, and it looked so good. There are these denim culottes from Mango, if I remember correctly, also in the size made in Bangladesh, size 42. I mean, I thought it was a size 30, but this does look like my, I think it must be size 30 only. उनका hips to waist ratio का कुछ तो अलग होगा. It says 42 on it, but I'm very sure I ordered 30. This is what it looks like. They're these beautiful beige denim pants, and the ends I really want to show you. They have this frayed detail going on everywhere. I really like these because they give me that summer vibe, which is like with the color, very neutral, very chill, and still at the same time I can see myself wearing this to an event. I can see myself traveling in these. They're neutral, so they will go with so many things. Me likey, me lovey. Yeah. Okay, let's go try this. I need to process how good these pants are. They fit me so well. They are so nice. They are hugging me and holding me in all the right ways everywhere. I love the color. I love the material. I think that the way they're holding me on my thighs, the way that they fall all the way to the frayed hem at the bottom, are all absolutely wonderful details, and I'm for sure keeping this. Okay, this is the skirt that I was telling you I was excited about. This is what it looks like. It's from Mango, also in size 30. Literally everything is size, I don't know why it says 42, but basically उनका कुछ version होगा उसका. This is what the skirt looks like. It's a really nice soft fabric. It has this slit on the front. It's definitely a little bit more blue than I expected. I was expecting for it to be a lot more grey based on the picture on the app. Leaving links for everything down below, but it feels really nice to the touch, so I'm really hoping this sits well for me, because my biggest problem with full length skirts ever since I gained all my weight has been that the hips get hugged, and I have those double dipped hips, you know, like there's a bend and then the thigh comes out again. So if I wear things that are really like tight on the hips, like ribbed skirts or whatever, that ribbed cotton material, it looks bad because my hips don't look like this. They look like ping ping. You know what I mean? So I'm hoping that this will not give me that problem and that they fit me well. Let's go try. Okay, something is wrong with the sizing overall on this entire haul, because some pieces have fit me so well and then this one is like loose, and I don't understand. I've ordered everything in a size 30 according to the Myntra app. The material feels really nice. The slit comes at the perfect length. The just overall vibe of the skirt is very me. I'm definitely gonna size down and replace this one because I really like it. What do you think? Let me know down below in the comments. For the moment, my last piece to show you is another shirt. This is a nice brown one. The color of brown is actually really beautiful. It's that proper wala brown, which I really love. This is from, I want to say Trendyol, and I've ordered them in size 40 from what I'm seeing, because I wanted that nice loose comfy fit vibe. Let's go ahead and try it out. This shirt fits exactly the way I wanted it to, and I love the color on me. The fabric is really nice too. It's not completely all natural. There's definitely some kind of synthetic in there because I am very sensitive to fabrics, but I think it's okay. It's worth the money and I should definitely hold on to it and keep it. So all in all, this whole look is staying as is, and if you see me in it, you know when I tried it first. Can you help me figure out what the issue with this top is? Okay, so right now like this, it looks like as if this was the style. But I'm a little bit confused because A, it is hugging me here really well, but here it's making me look super paunchy. When I'm pushing it up like this as a strap, it's looking like this cowl thing was the intended style. But if I remember correctly on the Myntra app, this wasn't the intended style. I'll show you what it actually was, and if I remember correctly, otherwise this was it. Oh, it is this. Huh. Okay, this is the way it is supposed to be worn. I don't know why I thought it was supposed to be like this. I was like, it's fitting properly, but these straps are too loose. It's too much. Okay, like this it fits, but it's just a very, very, very low neckline, and even though it's fitting properly on the chest, this is making me look round, which I obviously don't want. But I love the color on me. The neck is just too low for my comfort. Like, I'm really moody about how low I'm okay with my neckline being. Sometimes I'm okay with it, not like this, but like a little bit here and there, and sometimes I'm not. Is this something I should keep, or is it something I should give back? Sound off in the comments. I'm a little bit confused about this one. I do love the color. I don't think the style is very me. That's where I am. Okay, I finally have the last two pieces over here with me. We're gonna go ahead and see what they are, because I've forgotten what I ordered. Why does this happen to me? And try them out. Oh yes, oh, I went back and forth so much with this particular piece because they have it in green, but they also had it in white, and I was so tempted to order the white, and then I realized, you know what, it's not going to look on my paunch because white and light colors do tend to highlight like the curves quite a bit. Not that green is a very dark shade that I've chosen, but I said ठीक है चलो कुछ अलग हो जाएगा. We have a corset going on over here, and it's completely wired and well ribbed. The material feels really nice. Okay, I sense a problem. Wait. So obviously I was expecting this from the front because it is a tube corset, but the back has an opening in the middle, which I didn't realize while doing the browsing part. That kind of sucks. Okay, let's go ahead and try this on. Go ahead and show it to you. It doesn't fit, it doesn't sit, it doesn't work for my body, and I couldn't even zip it up properly without feeling absolutely horrible about myself. And so I'm not trying it on at all or on camera. Little reminder, don't forget to participate in the giveaways. I'm doing giveaways all through every single video throughout my birthday month, which is June. So just a reminder to participate. Down to the last piece of this haul. Why isn't it opening? Okay, so I have hopes out of this shirt because I really like the brown shirt. And this is pretty much, I think it's from the same brand as well. And it's such a lovely beige. Yeah, it's the same brand. I'm leaving links to everything for you down below in the description section, like literally each and every piece. This is the same style, but this material is feeling different, question mark. But it does look really, really nice. Like this beige is a very like me, it's a very Shabana and Anam shade. When I say Shabana and Anam shade, Shabana is my mother's name. Both of us are very drawn towards shades like these, colors like these that are very neutral, very nice, very basic. And you can elevate this so nicely with like hair, makeup, a nice bold lipstick. Maybe I'll wear a chili chocolate bar with this, or maybe I'll wear a red velvet cupcake with this. And it's really nice and oversized, so I really don't think the whole body consciousness will or can kick in if I wear something like this. Let's go ahead and try this out. Okay, so me lovey, but also me confused. I'm saying this because I love the color. I love the fit. I like that it's oversized, so I'm like super comfortable. I can go ahead and open one of these buttons if I want to, when I feel like it, depending on what I'm wearing inside. I was gonna roll up these sleeves because that is typically how I wear shirts. But even though I kept it like this, it's giving like very like dad vibes, and I don't mean like daddy vibes. I mean like just dad vibes, and I like it. I feel like it's giving chill. It's giving boomer, and I don't mind it at all. I like the way it's falling. Now here's the dilemma. The fabric is not wow, it's strictly okay, and the shirt costed me 2,159 rupees. So I'm like, is it worth it or is it not worth it? On one hand, I'm like, keep it, a bird in hand, the color, the fit, everything's fine, material we'll, you know, whatever, compromise on. But on the other hand, I'm like, no, but you paid like 2,159 rupees for this. Even the material should feel amazing. It's not like it feels bad. It's just, it's okay, if you know what I mean. Give me your thoughts on this down below in the comments. Should I keep it? Should I return it? At the moment, I think I should just keep it because a bird in hand is worth two in a bush. And I really like the color. And I don't think I have a shirt in this color. Racking my head as I say that. And I don't think I do. And with that, we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this haul. Hopefully you will see more hauls, because I have mentioned several times I go through this mode every couple of months where I want to refresh my wardrobe completely. I'm leaving links to everything for you down below. Don't forget to participate in the giveaway. I love you so much. You know I'm always reading, liking, hearting and responding to each and every one of your comments, so please do keep them coming. This month the videos are extra special because of the giveaways in them, because it's birthday month. And I just want to say thank you to you guys by hosting these giveaways in every single June upload. I love you so much. Bye!